Good morning, children. Today you will study about incomplete dominance and codominance. Now, what is incomplete dominance? Children, incomplete dominance is not a Mendelian trait. According to Mendel, when the condition is hybrid, the dominant character expresses itself. But in an incomplete dominance, what happens? A phenomenon in which neither of the two alleles of a gene is completely dominant over the other and the expression is intermediate. In this, what is happening? Both the alleles, neither red color is dominant over the other, and the phenotype will be intermediate, means it is pink. It is a mixture of red and white in the F1 generation. According to Mendel, in the law of dominance, the red color was dominant over white, but in incomplete dominance, the F1 progeny all are pink in color, means it is an intermediate expression. There is no blending of the two alleles. The effect is caused by partial or incomplete dominance of allele for red color. There may be some influence of second allele of white flower color over the allele for red color. So, it is almost intermediate in color. So, what happens? This is a very important question, mostly it comes, so prepare it properly. Incomplete dominance in some flowers like Mirabilis jalapa, which is commonly known as 4 o'clock plant, or Antidryanum majus, which is mostly called snapdragon or dog flower. Any of them, sometimes they can show the incomplete dominance in snapdragon, so the answer will be same. So pure pea plant are taken with red flower and white flower. They are crossed. F1 generation flowers are pink, which you have seen in the diagram also, a mixture of red and white flower. The red flower, the flower color in F2 generation after self pollination will be, which is homozygous RR, it will be red. If it is capital R and small r hybrid, it will be pink, and both are small r, then it will be white. This is shown in the form of a cross also. The parent generation red flower, white. Gametes will be capital R and small r, and F1 generation will be RR pink. So when you write, children, in the F1 generation, also always write the characteristics, not only the alphabets, because alphabets will always be RR, capital R or small r. So you have to write the characteristics which you are not writing. So always whenever you do these crosses, maybe monohybrid cross or dihybrid cross, always write the colors also. Now after self pollination, we will take the F1 generation RR. When father also, or the female also RR, and the male also RR. And what will happen? First will be capital R and capital R, it will be red in color. Capital R, small r, pink. Capital R, small r, pink. And small r will be white. So in the F2 generation, we get the phenotype capital R, capital R, capital R, small r, capital R, small r, small r, small r. So it is, phenotype is also 1:2:1, and the genotype is also 1:2:1. See, inheritance of flower color in snapdragon shows incomplete dominance, a phenomenon in which none of the two contrasting alleles of a gene are dominant. See, the answer I have given almost. You can write this answer and then you can make that cross, monohybrid cross. The expression of the factor in F1 generation hybrid is intermediate. In snapdragon flowers, red is homozygous dominant and white is homozygous recessive, while the hybrid is intermediate, that is, it is pink. It's a mixture of the expression of the two factors. Parental types reappear in the F2 generation. Phenotypic ratio 1:2:1, and genotypic ratio is also 1:2:1. So in incomplete dominance, Why it is occurring? Because neither of the two alleles are fully dominant over the other, or because the dominant allele does not fully dominate the recessive allele. So this results in a phenotype which is different from both the dominant and recessive alleles and appears to be a mixture of both. So it is not red also, not white also, but intermediate of both, that is pink in color. So this is incomplete dominance. Neither of the two alleles are dominant. Now let's see codominance. Codominance means both the alleles show their presence. And a very good example is your blood group, ABO blood group. In this children, what happens? On the surface of RBCs, there are certain antigens or sugars. If it is one type of sugar, that is A antigen. The other type of sugar, it is B antigen. So those who have A type of sugar, their blood group is A. Those who have B type of sugar, their blood group is B. In some, both the sugars are present, so their blood group will be A and B. So neither A is dominant nor B is dominant. They show codominance. Co means both the alleles are equally dominant. So the alleles which do not show dominant recessive relationship are able to express themselves independently when present together are called codominant alleles. So what is codominance? When two alleles are both expressed together. Example, blood type A. Blood type A, blood cells with A proteins. Blood type B, blood cells with B proteins. Blood type AB, blood cells with A and B. Both the types of proteins are present. So symbols used for codominant alleles are different. Here uppercase or capital case symbols are employed. A very good example is ABO blood group. If it is A antigen, so it will be written IA. If it is B antigen, it is written IB. Actually, I is for isoagglutination. And this we are going to study in the next topic also, multiple alleles, in which we will study about different alleles which are present in a locus. So in that we will study a little in detail about this. So codominant alleles are those alleles which do not show dominant recessive relationship, and both of them express themselves when they are present. So conclusion, in incomplete dominance, it is clear that the dominant allele does not suppress the recessive allele, and thus blending occurs and an intermediate is formed. It is non-Mendelian trait, because Mendel has always shown that dominant character always expresses in a hybrid condition. And in codominance, the case is not like that. In incomplete dominance, here blending does not occur, rather another product is formed which contain both the alleles. Now let us see what is the difference. What are the differences? In incomplete dominance, effect of one of the two alleles is more conspicuous. Effect of both the alleles is equally conspicuous, means both of them show their presence. Produces a fine mixture of the expression of two alleles. There is no mixing of effect of two alleles. Third, effect on hybrid is intermediate. Here both the alleles produce their effect. Expressed phenotype is new. Expressed phenotype is a combination of two phenotypes. And example is Snapdragon. Here the example is AB blood group in humans. So this is regarding incomplete dominance and codominance. Thank you. Again, let us see incomplete dominance and codominance. See the differences which are given in your this chart. Thank you.